Ways to stop your habit of teeth grinding when you're asleep. The future of the world continues to become a blur due to the pandemic. People are left to deal with their growing anxieties, whether it's the state of their job, the additional sources of income they can venture into, or simply the general state of the world and the future. Stressing over a multitude of things leads to different effects on your health, including the uncontrollable habit of grinding your teeth. Teeth grinding, or bruxism, may also be due to internal factors, including the misalignment of your teeth, a sleeping condition, or a previous oral procedure.
Full video link is in description.